Hi, beautiful people.
It's me, Teacher Nicole.
How are you today? We are here for another wonderful day of preschool. Are you guys ready to sing the Grand Rising Preschool Friends song with me? Yes? All right. On the count of 3, we are going to get started, friends. 1, 2, 3. Grand Rising Preschool Friends, how are you? Good, good. Grand Rising Preschool Friends, how are you? Good, good. It is time to start our day. We are here to work and play. Grand Rising Preschool Friends, y'all loves you. Good, good. Yay! We have so many things planned, but first I have an important question to ask you.
How are you feeling today?
Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling angry? Are you feeling mad? There are other feelings that we can experience too, more so physically in our bodies, like being tired, feeling hungry, feeling excited, feeling
aggressive.
I have Mr. Pineapple here with me today, and he is going to help us talk more about emotions and feelings.
Hey, Mr. Pineapple! What's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while.
Hey, how are you? It's so good to be here. To be honest, I actually don't know how I feel today.
Maybe we can discuss all of the emotions that we've talked about so far with our friends, with our preschool friends.
Wow, Teacher Nicole, that's a great idea. Come on, let's do it. So we have scared, happy, sad, angry, excited, worried. Then we talked about surprised, silly, and frustrated. Since there are so many different feelings, it's good to think about which one that you're feeling at the moment.
Yes, I think so too. It is so important to know how you feel on the inside and what words describe those feelings that you have on the inside. Our feelings change constantly.
Over and over and over again.
One moment I could be feeling so happy and excited. And then the next moment something could happen, and guess what? It could make me feel sad or disappointed or angry. So our emotions are very fluid. Fluid means that they change constantly according or based on things that may or may not happen. Well, Mr. Pineapple, thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate you being here. We are going to say goodbye for now. Okay, bye, Mr. Pineapple. Wow, it was so good for Mr. Pineapple to be here.
Alright, that's it for now. Bye-bye and see you next time. Join us again on Harmony Playhouse.